This is Primus Invin recording, and in this video I will be attempting to teach you the formulas for most shapes. Alright, let's start with the very basic and simple formulas for area. This is for area. So for a square, this one's pretty obvious. Length U00 B2 length squared. That's rectangle is also pretty simple. It's just length width. What else do we have? So those are the easy shapes, but now let's get on to more complex 2D shapes. First, let's do the triangle. A triangle is half of base times height. Now, the reason a triangle is half of base times height is because two triangles of equal area can always be formed to compose a rectangle. Therefore, you imagine if there were two triangles and put them together into a rectangle, take the base and height of that rectangle, and then have that to get the area for the triangle. I know it's a bit hard to conceptualize, but I hope you can understand. Also, regardless of if you're a teacher or a student, please share this with anyone you know if you believe it will help them, and please subscribe to the channel if you find my videos helpful. Thank you. All right. So now let's get on to the circle. The circle is an interesting one, and the circle is actually, but the formula for the area of a circle is pi radius squared. Pi times the radius squared. In mathematics, we like to abbreviate pi is 22/7, but in truth, pi is actually 3.141519. Yeah, it goes on for a while, I think. Yeah, pi is indefinite, and it's neither a real nor non-real number, but that's for a different video, and for now, we're just going to abbreviate pi as 22/7. That's the conventionally accepted abbreviation. And for proof of concept, go on to an online circle generator, and it'll ask you for the radius, and then it'll give you the number. All you have to do to prove that this is the formula for a circle is double the radius, and then you'll get 4 times the area. Because that's the formula for circles. Double the radius is 4 times the area, because that's how squaring stuff works. Similarly, if I have 3 times the radius, I'm going to have 9 times the area. Essentially, I just square the difference I square the quotient of the larger area and the smaller area, and that will be the quotient of the larger area's area over the smaller radius's area. So that's proof of concept on how to get the circle. Next, we're going to have the last one, which is actually the trapezoid. This one is actually interesting, and I'm actually not too sure on the trapezoid one, but I'm pretty sure it's base 1. It's half of base 1 plus base 2 times height. And that's the formula for all your 2D shapes. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and once again, consider subscribing to the channel. Bye! Oh, and drop a like.